So I have the shutter assembly completely disassembled. So the spring is important because it's going to have the eye here. It's going to have this little turned over hook part here and just an offset part here. So into the shutter plate, insert the offset component into that hole and just hold the spring there with your forefinger. Take what I've called the eye of the spring, put it into the little turned up metal here, and hold that down, and as you bring up the rest of the plate, like so, so that you've maintained contact of the offset side here, the eyelet into the turned up metal, and then the bent section over on this side. And once you have that all done, you'll hold it together, pinching it together, put the two tabs back into the slot, into the two slots. See if I can get my finger out. I don't have to actually do it that way. Here we go. Now I've got it all put back together. Holding it together, it works. Got to turn it back together. Obviously, I bent clear the two bent over tabs, and now all I'm going to do is bend them over, fold them over so that it doesn't come off. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.